Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Instagram video selfie verification not working problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, what you need to do is you need to first of all go ahead and go to settings. Go ahead, go back. You have to go to the settings, scroll and then tap on general. Then go ahead, tap on this option of iPhone storage. Now go ahead, find your particular Instagram app, tap on offload app and offload the app and reinstall the app later. That will simply solve your problem if you're having that. Next is you're gonna go ahead, fix camera access and screen time blocks. You're gonna be in the settings section and then you're gonna go back, go to the apps, go ahead, search Instagram from this options and check out whether the camera access is turned on or not. If it's not turned on, then that could cause a problem. Turn it on and you're good to go. Next is you're also going to check if you have any VPNs turned on your phone. If that's so, then you're going to turn that off as well. Next thing, you're going to check in your internet connection. If your internet connection is not good, then you're going to switch to next on another connection or switch simply to cellular data. That should also help you out. That's what you can do. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.